All right, y'all, you know what time it is. When that sun gets low, it's the hour of power. And today I'm out at my favorite lake at just the right time. Let's see how it goes. Come on, come get it. I'm just hearing I'm injured. I'm an injured little bait fish. Got him. Oh. Look at that. There we go. Yeah. Come on. Oh, just pulled the rod out of my hand. There we go. Came in and just hammered it. Spunky little fella. Thanks for playing. Well, that was easy. Power hour is where it's at. Ain't no hour like power hour. Power hour. Mm-hmm.